Here's how to create a JSON file from scratch. Right-click on your desktop, hover over New and select Text Document. Double-click the new file to open it in Notepad. Type or paste your JSON data into the file. JSON is structured as key value pairs in curly braces. For example, open brace, quote, name, quote, colon, quote, John, quote, close brace. Go to File, then Save As. Choose your save location, and in the file name field, type your file name with a .json extension. For example, data.json. Make sure the Save As type is set to All Files, so it does not save as a .txt. Click Save. To verify the file is valid, open your browser and go to a JSON validator website. Upload your file or paste the contents and click Validate. If it shows valid, your JSON file is correctly formatted and ready to use. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.